So when going to the Paulaner, just follow the Lederhosen. If you want to get a first and good overview about Hangzhou and the West Lake, you have to go up here to the Changguan Pagoda, and then you can see this. So you will have Leifeng Pagoda over there. You have the island there where you can go by boat, also very nice to visit. Then you have the Baochu Pagoda over there. Then there's all of the nice lakeside area where all of the stuff's going on. Then you have over here Yan'an Road, which will then lead to the Hangzhou Tower. So most of the city center is over there, what you can see here. And here you see the lake. Just below the Baochu Pagoda there is the broken bridge. So all of the things you want to see, you can see from up here, and you can have a first overview of where everything is, how it looks like, and the view on the lake is also pretty nice to take some nice pictures. So I would suggest you to come up here and have a first overview of the city and check where everything is and how it looks from above. I always like when I have the chance to go somewhere up to see the city, and I think this is the place to go to. It's also not this expensive. It's 30 yuan per person. And the bus, I took it from the hotel, and it was just behind the Hangzhou Tower. So, and the bus went almost all the way up here the hill to the pagoda, and it just cost 2 yuan, so very cheap, but I think a very good view. So when you're in Hangzhou, come up here and have a view on Hangzhou from above. So if you've ever wondered how a gym looks like in China, it's colorful, it's outside, and the most important, it's for free. Okay, not all of the gyms look like that. They have also the gyms you know from home, but also these parts exist in China, and you have it in the cities, or like here, also in some foresty areas where you have more shadow. So it's very convenient, and it's available for free. We are now on the way to a new German restaurant in town, and as a German it's my duty to check it. It's a Paulaner, so managed by Paulaner in Munich, and when you have been to China, maybe you saw these restaurants already in Shanghai or other bigger cities, and now they already also have one here in Hangzhou. And you have to cross the street. almost got run over by BMW, so we will go to a restaurant from Munich, but or maybe died by a car made in Munich. But we survived, so we will go there, check it, and then tell you how it is. So after some walking, we arrived at the Shining City shopping center. I think this is how it's called, and it seems it's also one of the newer shopping centers here. I would expect maybe just opened this year or last year, because it looks very new. And I also don't know why they open it here in this area, because usually, or at the moment, there are not a lot of people here. But yeah, we will now search for the restaurant and then check how the food is. Okay, so just at the entrance I found a plan, and there it is, Paulaner Munich, Paulaner Bräuhaus Hangzhou. So we will go to the 4th floor now. There's the elevator, so take the elevator and then check the restaurant. So when going to the Paulaner, just follow the Lederhosen. So it seems they also have a takeaway part, but this isn't open yet. So I hope the restaurant is open, but it seems like. So now, after some walking here, we found the Paulaner Bräuhaus in Hangzhou. Okay, we are now in the restaurant. So in the evening there will be a live band here from Germany playing German music, if you like it. There's a lot of advertisement for the FC Bayern Munich, and it seems they also brew their own beer here. So I saw already the equipment also here behind me for brewing beer. So it seems they're brewing, yeah, they have home brew beer here. And now we will check what they have on the menu. So starting with a lot of beer. It's still drinking. Yeah, here the lunch menu starts. So they have schnitzel, white sausages, salmon, pasta, potatoes, some soups, salads, appetizer, a lot of different kind of sausages, traditional Munich kitchen. Okay, so it seems they have a wide variety of food. It looks pretty good, and I'm curious how it will taste later on. Also some plates if you want, with a lot of different things to taste. Side dishes, of course, sauerkraut, pretzel. Also some desserts. And menu is available in German, Chinese and English, also very good. So I will now search for something to eat and then show you my food. So we've already got some appetizers. So it looks like some good bread, a small mini pretzel. And here, yeah, some sausage, butter and some cream. Yeah, I hope it will taste good. Okay, at first I will taste some bread. So it's toasted, fresh toasted, but it's not fresh baked. So I will taste some of the sausage. So I think it's liver. The taste of the sausage is good and bread is also okay. Now I will taste this white cream. Don't know what this is. Still don't know, but it tastes good. I think it's kind of remoulade. I'm not sure if it's called in English like that. That's how you call it in German, remoulade. Yeah, it's good. So I've ordered a mixed platter of different sausages. So we have white sausage, Deppelziner, Bratwurst and Frankfurter with potato salad. So yeah, some very basic, very German, some mustard here. Oh, yeah, I expected it to be very good. So the food is officially approved. It tastes really good and original German. So if you're in Hangzhou, you can come to the Polana restaurant if you want to enjoy some good German food. And we also got some beer. Also the taste of the beer. Pretty good.
Price.
Yeah, when you come here before 8 o'clock, you will get 2 for the price of 1. Okay, after our lunch we ordered some dessert, which is traditional German Apfelstrudel. So we will also taste. Yeah, also check how it tastes. Apfelstrudel is already gone, and the taste was very good, but I think it's too expensive compared to the sausages we had, because the price is about 1/3 of the sausages, and yeah, I think it's a little bit too expensive, but the taste is very good. So, and if you like Apfelstrudel, then yeah, just get it.